Have you ever wondered what a sunset party cruise is like? So today we're out on a boat taking a sunset cruise.
We're out here in Phuket and we're really enjoying this. We just started, so we're going to take you along with us and show you exactly what it's like to be on a party boat, 3 party boats out in Phuket.
So we'll show you what's it like, what's included, and what's not. We are Kendra and David, an American couple who sold everything to travel the world and experience all it has to offer. The pandemic left us stranded in Thailand, but our journey is far from over. So please be sure to subscribe to the channel to follow us throughout Thailand and throughout the world. Each new episode will help you imagine, plan, and live your travel dreams. So let's get started. So this sunset cruise departs from Chalong Pier around 3 p.m. You can take the shuttle all the way down to the end for 10 baht. And when you arrive on board, you are welcome with a welcome drink and some nice snacks like chips and peanuts to get you warmed up. This cruise only costs 900 baht, but no other food or drink is included. Additional drinks start at 150 baht, and naturally, it's much more for bottle service. So, it's actually quite a lot of people on this little tour. There's 3 boats in total. There's music on the second boat, and then the other, you can still hear the music nice and clear from the boat we're on. So I kind of like not being around the full blast music. It's kind of perfect right here. And the chair we have is literally the best seat in the house. This was our first time riding on a catamaran, which is a type of yacht that has 2 hulls instead of 1. This really did make for a much smoother ride than we're used to, making it perfect for a party cruise like this. We're seeing lots of jellyfish out here, which is really cool. The jellyfish are huge too. So we've seen 4 jellyfish so far. David keeps on pointing them out. After sailing around and enjoying the beautiful views, they dock the 3 boats together so that you have a big 3-boat party.
You need to believe in all that is true. The sooner the better. You need to believe in all that is right. The sooner the better. So we can get the love going on tonight. The sooner the better. So we can get the love.
You can also jump off the boat and take a little swim. Now there are stairs to get back on there, but some people like to do things the hard way.
So we can get the love going on tonight.
Phuket really does have spectacular sunsets, and this one definitely didn't disappoint. After sunset, the party boat turned on the disco lights and the fog machine, and it really was like you were in a nightclub. So this is our very classy dinner of hot dogs with prosecco. Bottle of prosecco, 1,500 baht. Hot dog,
$100. That's what one sip of prosecco does to David. He body rolls so well.
We liked this event so much, we booked again for next month. It was a very cool vibe, lots of interesting people to talk to, and we can highly recommend it. If you're interested in going, the contact information is in the description box below. If you enjoyed this sunset cruise, please give the video a like and leave us a comment about whether you would take this cruise yourself. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can follow along through our journey through Thailand and through the world. As always, thanks so much for watching, thanks for sharing, and take care till next time. Bye.